Things I wish I knew when I first started knitting. Knitting cables is not as intimidating as it seems. Growing up in Ireland, there's always been a mythology and a sense of awe around people who can knit Aran sweaters. Just by looking at somebody, they'll size them up and off they go. But I'm glad to say that, like many things in knitting, once you break it down, it's not too tricky at all. So let's take a look at how it's done. C4F, or cable 4 to the front, means to change the order of the next 4 stitches by taking half of them onto a cable needle. Hold those 2 stitches in front and then knit the next 2. Take those 2 stitches that are on the cable needle at the front and then knit them. Pop the cable needle down and that's your cable done. C4B, grab the cable needle, 2 stitches onto it. This time hold it in the back and knit the 2 from the left hand needle. Bring the cable needle back into your left hand and knit 2. C4B, complete. When you combine these reordering rounds with plain rounds, just knitting pattern, this is the result you get. This tip was brought to you from a shop based in Dublin, Ireland, but we do ship worldwide, so be sure to check our website through the link in our profile.